If you having a fucking good night, say yeah! Oh, y'all know I brought the woman, you heard? I brought the whole A&P outside. So I need y'all niggas to make some fucking noise.
Ray.
Drop that shit.
Ray.
Let's do it.
This ain't real, Ray.
Hold on. Where my sister at, man? Yeah, pull up, man. Hey, y'all make some noise for my little sister who turned this motherfucker